Hi, in this video I will show you how to download Roblox on a Samsung Smart TV. So Roblox cannot be directly downloaded or installed on a Samsung Smart TV. Samsung TVs run Tizen OS and Roblox does not offer an official app for this platform. That's why you won't find Roblox in Samsung Smart Store, no matter the TV model or year. The only working way to play Roblox on a Samsung Smart TV is by screen mirroring from another device. So turn on screen mirroring on Samsung TV, go to settings, navigate to general and choose external device manager. Now choose screen mirroring. Here, use a supported device. Install Roblox on Android, iPhone or Windows PC or Mac. Then you can mirror your screen. On Android by using Smart View or Cast, you can use AirPlay on iPhone and use HDMI cable for PC. That is the most stable. Now, open Roblox on the device and launch Roblox, start a game and it will instantly display on your TV. After you do this, you can easily play Roblox on Samsung Smart TV. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.